Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Visily AI. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Visily AI's official website. If you haven't signed it up yet, create an account using your email or Google login. And once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is where all the projects live. To start, click New Project or Create Design. And here you'll see the option to start from a blank canvas or use a template. If you're a beginner, I recommend starting with a template to save time. Choose a template that fits your project. Now comes the powerful part, the Visily AI Assistant. Click the AI icon or prompt box to open the AI panel. Here you can type what you want the AI to generate. Then, hit Generate and Visily AI will instantly create UI elements for you. Once a design is generated, you can customize everything. Change the colors, fonts, buttons, styles, and layouts with drag and drop. If you want to add text or icons, use the left toolbar, or just click and drag onto your canvas. And if you need more screens, you can click Add Page. And don't forget to preview your design by clicking the Preview button. This shows how your UI will look on real devices. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.